Okay. Hello friends. So today, what's new here and I want to show you. So let's follow me. Okay. Here's our showroom, and this side is a single air hot air containment. That's not finished as you see. So I will show you later when it's all finished and assembled. So follow with me. And today, what I want to show you is for this one. What's this? It's a new design, and it's for the air containment. But today, I'm not going to show the containment. I want to show you another new solution. Follow me again. Okay, you see the servers here, right? The servers here. So, and kind of here, it's the power distribution. Here, the power distribution cabinets. Okay, it's the model 1 button. Now, here, this side, it is what we want to show you. It's the liquid cooling solution systems, and it's different with air cooling, and it's a new technology currently. And as you can see, it's all the 12 SUES channels here for to change the liquid. And here is all the systems. We call it CDU systems. Okay. So next, I will open these systems and show you how it works. Okay. This screen will display the temperature of the inlet and outlet of the cycle systems and the pressure of the pipeline. The flow here is small because only one server is installed and cannot be displayed, and the frequency can be automatically adjusted based on the pressure and the temperature. And the main function of the CDU is a controller. And then here's a dual pump system, N+1 pump. This is a heat exchange mode where the water temperatures of the first cycle and the second cycle are adjusted to each other here. Then this top is the exhaust valve, which means that the gas in the pipe is discharged from the top. And there's adjustment pipes of the intro exit of the water pipes coming in and from the outside cycle and the inside cycle water. Then on the earth is the pipe system to the server. Then here is the manifold liquid cooling pipe system. This is quick plug, and this is the quick connect hose connect to the servers. Inside the terminal sticks on the GPU and the CPU. Then there is also an exhaust valve on it, which is used to exhaust the gas in the second cycle. Okay, now we are on the top of the building. Behind me is cooling stack. So it is connected to the liquid cooling data center we are mentioning for right now. Okay, you can see these channels. This channel these two tubes